They know my story.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I will be doing this is MESSYLOCS for my clients, and I'll be using color 613 and color ombre burgundy, and this is how she likes the color. I would also be using curls, so she also wants curly ends and also curls going in between. Those ones are very high maintenance, but she's okay with it, and that is what I'm going to be doing for her. I am going to be showing you how I will achieve the look that she'll be going for. And since she wants curly ends and curls everywhere, I had to braid her hair with the curly hair as the base. And there's one more thing that I'm forgetting. Yeah, so also there's gonna be a waist length. Yeah, I also did not want to show you guys the process of me braiding her hair because that would just add more time to the video and stuff. It's gonna be a 3-part regular size waist length. So if you're looking to see how you can get a waist length using the 8 inches hair, this is how. So people have asked me, will I be able to get longer if this 8 inches? Trust me, I know it looks like it's 8 inches, but when it stretches to like, I think 18 or even 20 inches. Like it makes sense. But I would hope that I could use a longer inches. But one thing I have noticed is that when I try to use a longer inches, it was very hard for me to fluff. So that's the reason why I kind of like the 8 inches as of right now, until I find something better. So yes, I am going to start now. So I think to start wrapping, I would start wrapping with, I believe, 1.5 strand of the ombre burgundy hair, and I'm going to use my crochet. As you see my other videos, just crochet it in. I think the main point of this video is for me to show you how you can have extended length without like if you're so scared about the inches and you're like, oh, I cannot really get waist length or butt length. I think the main thing is that you just have to kind of like just keep adding on. The longer you want them, the more you have to add on. I also will be getting my hair done very, very soon, and I'm going to be using the same inches, or I might end up trying a different passion twist hair just so that you guys can have more options, because this hair is pretty expensive. So I can understand how the longer you want them, the more expensive it's going to end up being. But this one is very easy to maintain and it's easy to handle, and it's easy to fluff and stuff. So that's the reason why I love using it. But anywho, guys, I'm just gonna keep wrapping, and then since I'm not doing the distressed look, since I'm going for like the distressed messy one, so basically not as messy, I would not be taking out as much, because sometimes when you end up using colored hair has it has this style to it. Like, it's gonna look like it's distressed, but it's just the regular one, because I'm not taking out as much. If you realize in my black video, I would just keep taking out as I wrap, like every 1.5 wrap or every 2 wraps. But with this one, I can just wrap like 3 times and then before I take out. So but it still look nice overall, and I just cannot wait for you guys to see the end result. So I feel like if you watch 2 videos of me showing you how to wrap, sorry, not how to wrap, but how to make the extended length, then I think you're going to be fine. So yeah, so hopefully this video was able to help somebody, because I understand how people are worried about the inches and stuff. So I'm almost done with this one, and I just don't want to I want to wait until I get towards the end, whereby I have to add something, and then I'm going to show you how I add something. And to seal the ends, it's time to add on. So I took, I think, 1 strand, and I'm just gonna, as you can see, I'm like curving it. I curved it, and then I just started wrapping with it. I don't know how else to explain it to you. Like, you kind of have to see it, but hopefully in my other videos, or when I'm wrapping other ones, you can see exactly how I am wrapping them. But all I did was just add on, like curve it, and then just start wrapping, and you're going to be fine. Like, you're going to be just fine. And that's all I did. So that's how if I want to get butt length, floor length, and all that length, I would have to keep doing the same thing, because it's very, very rare for you to find a hair that's that long for you to get waist length. So in most cases, even with braiding hair, you kind of have to add on for you to get the extended length. So yeah, well, hopefully this video was able to help somebody, and hopefully I also show you how to seal the ends, because that is always a question in my videos. So yes, I just kept adding on and then taking out, and I am hoping to show you how I seal the ends for this one. Yeah, also I was very like when she picked this color, I was like, oh wow, like I love when my clients pick different colors, because I just get really excited about the colors. And I was so eager to see how this one, came along, and I was so happy that she liked it, because of, she asked me like, would the color look nice, and I was like, it could, but after everything, it looks so gorgeous. And yeah, as you can see, I'm at the end now, so I'm just like wrapping up, and that is how I seal the ends of my lock. But I'm gonna say one thing. I'm gonna be very honest and very sincere. So none of my clients have complained about anything unraveling, but I met a client here, I think sometime in July 7th, and now it's July 28th, I believe, so 27. And then she said that I think 2 or 3 of her locks unraveled. But mind you, I've had like several clients before her, so several clients overall, and that have had their hair for like months and no complaint either. So I'm guessing it's just like maybe that one incident. So I might start implementing the nail glue technique, but I don't know about that yet though. But I might start implementing that just in case of anything, because I would hate for for that to keep happening. So I tried to make this video as natural pace as possible, just so you guys can see everything, because people always ask me, can you make it slower? And the thing is that I don't want the video to be so long. So that's the reason why it's been hard for me to do that. Maybe one day I would just make like a really slow-mo one, just so you guys can see. But I have videos, and I also, whenever I make a video, I always attach the link to other videos that can help you get what you're actually looking for. So you can look at your description box. I always have everything there. So if you want to see how to seal the ends, like a really detailed one, I have a video that even tells you what minutes to click on. So if you don't want to watch everything, trust me, I got you. Like, I do have the link to everything and the minutes and stuff, just so you guys don't have to watch everything for you to find what you're looking for. So, well, and that's how I take out. I don't know if I even mentioned it, but what I mentioned, that she wanted curls everywhere, right? So just like goddess braids, as you're braiding with the curls, you just like stylishly take out a curl up there and hang it, and then just keep wrapping. And then when I'm done, I'm going to make the curls fall. And I'm sorry I wasn't able to tell you guys how I got this one, but in other ones you're going to see how I'm able to get them. Hopefully I can make more detailed video on how to do goddess messy locks, but people barely get the goddess messy lock, because the messy one is already messy. So adding the curls is like extra mess, which is really nice, and that's how I actually do like mine. But some people just don't want to deal with the extra curls, so I was just making this video just because I didn't even know if I was going to post it or not. So I'm sorry that I'm posting it now, and I'm sorry if it's not as detailed as you're used to, but hopefully it was able to help 1 or 2 people. Anyways, thank you again for clicking, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be posting more and more videos. Trust me, I got you guys, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. And if you want to be the first to see when I make a post, turn on your notifications, just so you don't miss out on anything. Anywho, you guys should take care and be safe, and I'm going to see you in my next video. So I just did not want the song to just go past the side. So clearly the curls for the blonde are pretty short. So I'm just taking another piece and then just adding it on just so I can have a longer strand. This is also for those that are just trying to make use of what they have. It's hard to find certain curls and certain lengths, so I had to just make use of what I had. And that was the reason why towards the end of the first layer of the curls, I'm just gonna braid another one just to give me the long curly thing, just so that all the curls can match, so that the burgundy curls and the blonde curls can match and they can be even everywhere. So that's the reason why you see me doing this right now. I mean, if you're doing a shorter length, you're probably a shorter length you don't have to do this. But if you're doing something longer but you only have a short curls, and you can always improvise by doing it like this.